Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover deleted Facebook groups on Android. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. Click on your profile picture. From here you need to click on the groups. And here you can see for you your groups discover, but you can see that there is no option in the settings as well. There is no option to recover group. So you simply need to go back, open any browser and search for Facebook Help Center. So you simply need to click on that. Click on Facebook Help Center, and from here you need to click on groups, and here you can see that no, you simply need to click on no and click on other, and here you need to submit that I want to recover my group, and here you need to mention the group name, and then you need to click on submit. Then the Facebook support will contact with you by email and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.